Join me as I put the cutting-edge 54K UHD Smart TV to the test and see if it can really stream live TV without any cable. The cutting-edge 54K UHD Smart TV promises to stream live TV without the need for a traditional cable subscription, but can it deliver on this ambitious claim? That's what we're here to find out. When it comes to watching live TV, many of us are facing a dilemma. Cable costs are rising, and it seems like the prices just keep going up and up. We're stuck paying for a bunch of channels we never watch, just to get access to the few we actually want. It's frustrating, and it's led many of us to start searching for effective alternatives. But the options can be overwhelming, and it's hard to know where to start. Do we go with a streaming service like Sling or Hulu? Or do we try something entirely new? The truth is, cutting the cord can be scary. It's a big change, and it's natural to wonder if we'll miss out on our favorite shows or sports teams. But the reality is, the traditional cable model is dying, and it's time to start thinking about the future of live TV. That's where the Cutting Edge 50 comes in, promising to bring us the best of both worlds, the convenience of live TV, without the hassle of a cable subscription. For years, we've been told that the only way to get access to live TV is through a traditional cable provider. But that's just not true anymore. With the Cutting Edge 50, we can access live TV through a range of different streaming services and apps. From sports to news to our favorite TV shows, it's all available at the touch of a button. And the best part, we can pick and choose what we want, without being tied to an expensive cable package. The Cutting Edge 50 makes it easy to access live TV through services like YouTube TV, Hulu with Live TV, and Sling TV. We can also use apps like ESPN and Fox Sports to get access to live sports. And with built-in Wi-Fi, it's easy to connect to the internet and start streaming right away. The possibilities are endless, and it's exciting to think about the freedom we'll have to watch what we want, when we want. But what really sets the Cutting Edge 50 apart is its user interface. It's intuitive and easy to use, making it simple to find what we're looking for and start watching right away. The picture quality is stunning, with vibrant colors and crystal clear sound. And with 3 HDMI ports, we can connect all our favorite devices and have them all in one place. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to cut the cord and start streaming live TV. The Cutting Edge 50 is more than just a TV, it's a game changer. With its ability to stream live TV without a cable subscription, it's opening up a whole new world of possibilities for viewers. We can say goodbye to expensive cable bills and hello to the freedom to watch what we want, when we want. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the Cutting Edge 54K UHD Smart TV. If you've made the switch to a smart TV, let me know about your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll be exploring the best streaming services out there. See you in the next one.